Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw a sketch on Father's Day. Okay. So first we are going to draw one circle-like structure. Okay. Circle, and then the here U shape, means like in V shape. You can do it. And then after that, what you have to do, just whatever is coming here, just inside, erase it. Okay, erase it from the inside. And now what you have to do, see, from here, just draw one circle from here. Okay, then this, just draw the shape like this. Okay, bring it down like this, but I'm zooming in so that you can see properly. See, very again I'm showing you. First you have to draw one circle, okay, and then a line like this, join it, okay, and then two line like this. From here draw the shape like this, and from here now draw the hairline, okay, this curve line, okay, and see, from here just draw the shape like this, from here, and one from here like this. Don't make it perfectly because it's fully we are going to fill with black color. And after this, from here we'll draw the pant, and after this what you have to do, see, from here the girl, okay, so it should be, see, you have to start from here, okay, the hand side, okay, so from here just I will draw the circle, curve it, then from here little bit circle type, the hairline, the neck shape, see, from here the hand, that means the shoulder, and the hand like this, make the circle, okay, and now from here what you have to do, like this, draw two line like this, okay, then draw the shoe, and then from here just draw the grasses, okay, just draw the grasses like this, from here just draw it like this, then from here like a cloud draw the shape like this. And now what you have to do, see, from here just make this light, erase it, okay, from the top. Now I'm going to zoom in now, see, now from here what you have to do, same like in shape like this, like this. It's a veins nerves of that heart. This one also we have to draw the veins. And now from here shape like this, the pipes are there. I don't know what is this called, the exact name. then V shape, very simple. See, two line, like in tree we are doing, na? We done this kind of thing in tree, so like in same thing. Same thing, okay. And here the root like structure, means it's an nerves, okay. And one more pipe from here like this, and see here also same thing. Now what you have to do, just over here now I will draw one heart shape, okay, heart shape. Okay, now what you have to do, just with the normal pencil, okay, normal pencil, what you have to do, just whatever you have done, just fill it. Just properly, okay, properly fill it. This one also properly just fill it, okay, fully. And see, just shade this one with a light pressure, okay, with a very light pressure. Shade this one too, this one also, this one also, and little bit this one also from here. And now what you have to do with the finger, okay, with the finger just blend it, or else you can use a tissue paper, you can use your cotton bud, you can use a brush, okay, whatever you want you can use it for making this. And this one now just with the pressure, okay, and nothing, just with the pressure just do the border like structure, okay. Okay, this one, okay, and little bit this one also you have to do it the border, shade it little bit and blend it, okay. So your Father's Day drawing is ready. And right over here, Happy Father's Day. Now whatever you want specially for your own father, you can write on your own. Okay, and you can give some decoration on your own.